go to Coinbase.com. You'll use the link down in the description if you want. If you don't, just follow along here. Just go to Coinbase, and then you can hit sign up. It's literally that easy. You're going to put your name in there and an email account. And I'm going to put in my first name and my last name. And then you're going to create a password, and do not forget this password. Take a moment to write down your email address and the corresponding password. So I'm going to put in my password. I'm going to select my state. I'm going to click this little box to let them know I'm not a robot, and certify that I am over 18 years old. All right, again, you need to make sure you're on the individual tab here. You're not a business. Unless you are a business, then use the business tab. So we'll hit create. And it's going to send you an email. We're going to go to our email account. So we're just going to hit Coinbase email, and we're going to verify the email address by clicking the button. It'll pop us back into Coinbase, and now it wants a country, which I'm the United States, and then a phone number. Which I'm going to type in. Then hit next. All right, so now what they're going to do is they're going to send you a text to your phone, and you're just going to take that text, and inside the text there is a code that you will put in. So I'm going to enter mine real quick, and then click OK to verify your phone number. They call that two-factor authentication, and that will be something you're going to need to get familiar with. That happens a lot when dealing with cryptocurrencies and different accounts. All right, so now you have created a new Coinbase account. All you have to do now is add a payment method. So you can see we've done the first two steps. This is your Coinbase, and if we click here to add a payment method, we will get this dialog. So you can add a credit or a debit card, or you can add a bank account. So I'm going to choose bank, and I'll enter my information really quick. And submit it. And it's going to send my credentials to my bank. And if they're correct, my bank will verify, and it will connect the two together. All right, so my bank is showing my accounts. I pick whatever one I want to link. So I'm just going to do my checking, and then you hit continue. And it's as easy as that to add your bank account. You can do the same process with your credit card. It's also very easy. You just hit the credit card option instead of bank account, and you can enter your credit card information. It'll make 2 deposits into, or 2, I think it'll take 2 withdrawals out of your credit card. All you need to do is log into your credit card account, look at what the amounts are, and enter those amounts into Coinbase, and then verify the account. So depending on your bank or your credit card, this may be something you can do today. It may be something you have to do in 2 days. I have one bank that when I put my credit card in and they charge the 2 amounts, my bank posts it right away. So I can go into my credit card account, and I look, and it says pending charges, and it has the 2 amounts right there, and I can get them right after I charge it. My other bank, it doesn't post a charge on my account until it's cleared. So if I use that credit card, when I go in to look at it, it'll take 2 days before those 2 little amounts post. So depending on how your bank works, you may have to wait 2 or 3 days before you link your account. So what you'll do is, if you have to wait a couple days, when you come back in, you'll sign in, and you'll go to settings, and then under settings you'll go to linked accounts, and there you will see your credit card, and then all you're going to do is hit verify. And when you hit the verify button, it'll open up a dialog box, and you can put in the 2 amounts and click OK. And then if the 2 amounts are correct, it will link your account to your credit card.